Introduction to Machine Learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. Instead of following fixed rules, ML models improve their performance by analyzing large amounts of data and discovering meaningful relationships. For example, rather than writing code to recognize cats, we train the system using labeled images. The model automatically learns the distinguishing features. As more data is provided, the system continues to improve, becoming more accurate and effective over time. Applications of machine learning. Machine learning is widely used across many industries to solve complex problems and automate tasks. Here are some key application areas. Healthcare. Machine learning helps in disease diagnosis, personalized treatment planning, and medical imaging analysis. Finance. It is used for fraud detection, credit scoring, and algorithmic trading to improve financial decision-making. Retail. Retailers use machine learning for recommendation systems and customer segmentation, improving sales and customer experience. Transportation. Machine learning powers self-driving cars, traffic prediction, and route optimization. Social media. Platforms use machine learning for content personalization, spam filtering, and improving user engagement. Types of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are generally classified into three major categories. The first category is supervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data, where both the input and the correct output are provided. The model learns a relationship or mapping from the input to the output. Examples. For example, if the input is an image of a mango, the output produced by the model would be the label mango. Another example is predicting house prices, where the input is the size of the house and the output is the estimated price. Applications. Supervised learning is widely used in classification tasks, such as spam detection and disease diagnosis. It is also used in regression tasks, like price prediction and demand forecasting. The second category is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. The model identifies hidden patterns or structures without knowing the correct output. Examples include grouping customers based on their shopping behavior, clustering crop images that share similar features. Applications of unsupervised learning. Clustering using the K-means algorithm. Dimensionality reduction, such as principal component analysis (PCA). Detecting unusual patterns through anomaly detection. Market segmentation, where customers are grouped according to their similarities. The accompanying diagram shows a collection of unlabeled images, such as cats and dogs, being processed by a machine learning model. The model automatically groups similar images together, even though no labels were provided beforehand. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning in which an agent learns by interacting with an environment. The agent receives rewards for correct actions and penalties for wrong actions. The main goal of reinforcement learning is to choose actions that maximize the total reward. Examples of reinforcement learning include a robot learning to walk, gameplaying artificial intelligence in games like chess and Go, and autonomous driving cars that learn to navigate safely. Applications include robotics, traffic signal optimization, recommender systems that continuously learn user behavior, and industrial automation. Now, let us look at the diagram shown on the slide. On the left side, we see the input raw data that the agent receives from the environment. In the center, the reinforcement learning loop is shown. The agent observes the current state of the environment and selects the best possible action based on the learning algorithm. After performing the action, the environment responds by giving a reward or penalty, and the new state is updated. This loop continues until the agent learns the optimal behavior. On the right side of the diagram, we see the output, which represents the improved decisions made by the agent after training. Overall, this diagram explains how reinforcement learning allows an agent to learn from experience through continuous interaction with the environment.